I have a very special interview with a group of youngsters who are embarking on a very special initiative. It's the Datathon 2025. So if you're listening, get all your kids, your nephews, your nieces, get them to tune in to Joy 99.7 to listen to this very, very, very important initiative that they can be part of. Because Blossom Academy is a leading talent accelerator equipping Africa's youth with advanced data and AI skills. They've trained over 800 fellows across Ghana, Nigeria, and Rwanda. And they have an impressive 65% career placement rate in global companies and startups. Interesting, eh? The alumni are building AI-driven products, influencing policy, and contributing to Africa's digital economy. So this year, in partnership with Digital Africa, they are hosting Datathon 2025. This is a competition that brings together young innovators to use data science and AI to solve real-world challenges. Want to be part of this? Get close to your radio. And this year their focus is on agriculture, with 50 participants working on practical solutions to boost efficiency, productivity, and sustainability for farmers in Ghana. So in the studio this evening, I have right here Pamela Afari, who is the admission manager. I also have Jethro Apewuni, data science consultant. And Delphina Dodu is the program's lead. Welcome to the studio, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you so much.
And I'm glad to have you here. I'm getting excited about this, you know. What is this Datathon and what inspired this initiative?
Thank you so much. So the AI4Startups Datathon is a problem-solving competition. We at Blossom Academy, in partnership with Digital Africa, as well as the EU, the AU, and a host of other supporting partners, are organizing this competition. We are bringing on board AI enthusiasts, young people who are interested in driving innovation through AI and data science. And for this year, we are focused on agriculture. So we are looking at how we can use AI solutions to improve the agricultural sector in Ghana and in Africa. So yes, that's what the AI4Startups Datathon is all about.
Wow, me, I'm dizzy already. Talking about AI to improve agriculture. Yes, but this sounds nice, you know. Yeah. Why did you choose agriculture as your main focus this year?
Yes, so we understand that agriculture plays a key role in Ghana and in Africa as a large. We know that it's about 60% of the African continent depends on agriculture for its livelihood. It's also important for food security. So we are looking at a way we can support the local economy. We are looking at a way we can support farmers. We are looking at a way we can improve the agricultural ecosystem in general. So that's why we are doing this focus on agriculture.
So who can participate in this initiative?
All right, so this is open
This is the Datathon 2025.
Yes.
Yeah. Why have you named it Datathon anyway?
Okay, so
is Datathon, it's just like hackathon, right? Think of it as a hackathon.
Okay.
But this is a Datathon because it's data driven.
All right.
We are using data to find solutions to agri problems. So just think of it as a hackathon, but this is using data to solve problems.
Can you tell us what role the farmers will play in this initiative?
Yeah, the farmers are helping us to understand their pain points because this solution is about them and we can't do it without them. So farmers are helping us. We are interviewing them to know what challenges are they facing and how can we help them with our data solutions. Yeah, so they are playing a major part by helping us to understand the pain points.
Mm.
Yeah.
And can you tell us a bit more about how data can affect, our agriculture sector?
Yeah, data can help improve our agriculture sector in diverse ways. First of all, data can help us even do early disease detection.
Mm.
And then,
And when I talk about data, I'm talking about the AI.
yeah,
And how can it actually play a role in helping them out?
yeah. So AI can help farmers by helping them predict their production, their yield,
Okay.
and then prepare accordingly. AI can also help farmers detect diseases. Instead of they waiting for the disease to destroy their crops, they can easily detect it ahead of time. And then AI can also help farmers understand, get information about their markets, know where to sell what.
Mm.
So instead of they allowing their produce to get rot after harvest, by using AI, they will be able to have market information and know where to sell what.
Okay.
Yeah.
I was going to ask how AI can help, but you've answered it. In what you just said. Now, how are the people who participate in this going to benefit from it?
Yes, so we are looking at how they will get visibility from this hackathon or datathon. We are also looking at mentorship for them. For each of the teams that will come on board, we have experts in the field who will be coaching them throughout the ideation and prototype solutions development. We also have cash prizes for the winners. So there's a cash prize pool of 5,000 euros for the first 3 winners, and also a special award for the best female performing team. So that we can also encourage the women to come on board. We're very interested in seeing how women can also shine in this competition. So we have set a target for ourselves to have 50% female participation in the datathon. So these are some of the benefits that they will also get. We will also have their solutions published with Digital Africa on their GitHub to ensure that we are getting collaboration to commercialize the prototypes that will be developed. Yes.
So you're going to be very deliberate on the 50%.
Very deliberate. Very, very deliberate. Women empowerment.
Yeah.
As women empowerment. Now, how can one participate in this? What is the modus operandi of the whole Datathon 2025?
Okay, so for Datathon 2025, it's open to everybody. So far as you have expertise in data science and AI or agric, you can apply for it. You simply have to type blossom.africa/datathon, and then you find all that you need to know about the Datathon 2025. So it's open to all. So far as you have any idea in data science, AI, or agric, just come on board.
Your organization is not now going to teach people like me about AI.
No, not for this program.
Not for this program.
Yeah.
You need to have an idea
yeah.
about it. You know.
Yeah.
Yeah. So can you put that out again?
Yes. So blossom.africa/datathon. Or you can simply visit our website at blossom.africa, and then we have a section at the top where you can access all the news on the Datathon, or Instagram at Blossom Academy HQ, right?
Yeah.
So you have a lot of money to execute this, or you need some support from outsiders?
Well, if there's anybody out there who wants to support us, we are open, and I think for now we are good to start. Yeah.
You're good to start.
Yes.
But anybody that wants to help,
Yes, in any way. Yes.
how can they contact you?
Okay, so you can send us an email at info@blossom.africa, or call us on 05949825555, and we can get talking.
Repeat the number and slowly.
05949825555.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Interesting. I hope there are lots of people listening. My listeners will get their kids and nephews and grandchildren.
They
to
should.
listen out.
And even if you may not have the expertise to participate in the Datathon, you are very invited. You are very welcome to come and observe and experience. We are going to have a host of organizations present.
Okay.
You want to network, you want to build some connections. You also want to learn from the people who are presenting their solutions. And who knows, the next Datathon will be you on the stage presenting your solution and winning something big for yourself.
So when exactly is the event happening?
Yes, so we are having this event in October, in the last week of October. Applications are open now, but they will be closing next Friday, which is 26th of September. So anybody who has that expertise, anybody who's excited about AI, data science, agriculture, please do apply, and we are happy to have you on board.
That's nice. Any last words from the others before I say goodbye to you?
Yeah, if you are interested and you don't feel confident, no worries, still apply. We will just pair you with other people who are looking for partners to go through this hackathon. So if you only have the interest, just believe in yourself and give it a try. And it's free.
Okay.
Yeah.
And Delphina, you have some last words?
Well, as my colleagues have said, just apply, because you might never know who is winning the 5,000 euros cash.
Right.
So
I also think that you guys should come back here once you've sorted out those who have been processed and are ready to get going.
We're happy to return.
Yeah?
We will, yeah.
I'll be happy to host you again.
Yeah.
Thank you all so much for coming.
Thank you.
Thank you all for coming. So you
Thank
just
you.
heard from Pamela Afari, Jethro Apeawuni, and Delphina Dodu, all from Blossom Academy.
Yes.
Yeah. Thank you for coming.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.